going on, guys? We're getting gas, baby. You know that shit. This is my, what the fuck, these red gloves. These gloves for everything. It's currently 10:23 p.m. in Brooklyn, New York. And feel me, I'm outside. Trying to make something happen. Something out of nothing. Brick outside. What's the weather like right now? 39 degrees outside. These fucking gloves, man. Can't even put them on. There's my money. Gas card. Shit is dope, right? I don't even have to enter the card anymore. I feel like it's basically the same shit, to be honest with you. 93, well, 89, I'm sorry, not 93. I'm definitely not getting dirty with these. So this truck has an issue. Or it's not having the issue today. Usually when I'm pumping gas and I pull it all the way, it just stops going for some reason. And I'm pretty sure y'all know this life hack right now. How we get it done. This is my beast right here. All dirty. No worries, she's gonna get cleaned up soon. I think we should be expecting some snow tomorrow, so I'm not even gonna worry about cleaning this shit up. I'll show you around. Pretty sick truck, huh? Got the dollies, big boom, dolly equipment, got the toolbox. This is actually a dolly mount on the bottom as well. This is where these wheels go. I'm gonna show you guys a tour of the truck later on. Nice little scratch. Fully blown LEDs. One of my lights are blown up there. Strobe lights. Have very minimal strobe lights on each truck. And tool, a light right there. Oh fuck, I gotta jump around this shit again. And then right here, I have a backup camera. And yes, my LED light bar has fell off. Thank you to the driver. And I'll give you guys a tour of the truck. Right. So right here we have a 2016 Ford F450, and this right here is a Black Bond built, full came back. This is the 812 unit. Got the XL into dish dollies. The mount right here. I got this little add-on, little in the ditch, so the pole won't fall out. These won't fall out. See, pretty big boom. It's pretty wide. Got a big little grab, you know, grabs the wheels pretty snug. It's just pretty fucking wide as well. Look at this shit, size of my arm. Got one of my backup cameras. Got these LED pods. These are what, like 3 inches LED pods. Yeah, I'm getting gas, you can see. These are the XL wheels for the in the dish dollies. These are pretty heavy duty. I think they hold about 4,000 pounds. Got my winch up there. Big heavy duty truck. I think it's a 3,000 pound winch, 4,000 pound winch if I'm not mistaken. Right here I carry some tools, jack, some stuff for some oil, kind of additional strap. Got some gloves in there as well. And get this out of here. Now that prints, let's put this back on before I forget. Damn thing. Yes, we keep receipts on this side. We have the little garbage bin. These are to hold go jacks. Some other tool compartment. I have a gas tank, some straps here, some other miscellaneous tools. Got my light pods right there too. Got 2. My strobe lights at the top. Pretty badass truck. That truck's not a diesel. And let me turn on all the backlights, strobe lights, so you guys can see it as well. My primo. Shit, let me turn on all the lights. There you go. How bright this motherfucker is. Yeah, got one of these hanging. That one's in place right there. Pretty bright ass truck, eh? And the cool feature about this, got light in there. Both sides. Got these strobes working in the front. And I'm ready to rock. Here at the inside of the truck. All my light controls are right here. Strobe lights, auxiliary for the back lights. It's front strobe lights. Got my touchscreen radio here with the CarPlay feature. Right here I got my dash cam. I'll make a review on the dash cam later on. Got another backup screen right there. And that's pretty much it. Look at the view. Inside I got the extended cab. I got a whole bunch of mess back here. And then the wire for the camera's hanging back there as well, but there you go for the truck.